Today's teacher in the classroom is Dr. John Silva. Dr. Silva has been in the classroom now for probably a year teaching about neurofeedback training, neurofeedback rewiring the brain. You've heard me talk about rewiring the brain. Today, we went over the power of neurofeedback because he is going to be an incredible speaker at the I Am the Solution Natural Health Summit. We talked about the power of neurofeedback because our brain is so powerful. If we want to rewire thoughts or way that we do things, this is the best way to do it. I just want to encourage you to listen or watch today's class. And this is just a little recap of what we talked about, but he is always so positive and amazing to encourage us and teach us how to overcome these limitations that say, oh, something's wrong with me because something's wrong with my brain. No, it's time to rewire. It's time to look at it in a different way. I want to encourage you to go to whenyounneedafriend.com. Go check out today's conversation. You can check it out on all social media, Facebook, YouTube, BitChute, and just learn these new truths so that you can work with your brain to achieve the life you want instead of against it, because there's so much we don't know. So I want to encourage you to not only just check it out, share it with everybody that you know. And of course, when you go to whenyounneedafriend.com, like me on social media, follow me on all this stuff, join me on my website, subscribe, and tell everybody to do the same. And also gave away 2 tickets. We're giving away 2 tickets, the Solution Natural Health Summit for Cancer and Autoimmune Disease on November 1st. We're just a few days away. So if you haven't gotten your tickets, we're giving away 2 tickets, or you can get your ticket at a discount. The code is IATS25. That's IATS25 to get $25 off. Just doing it for the last few days. We're almost sold out. Please bring a friend, friends that learn together, grow together, and let's become our own MDs, our own medical detectives. Trust the process of your life. You may not understand why things are happening now, but once you work with your brain, that's when the magic happens. So please remember, I'll be right here waiting for you and right there waiting for you as well at whenyounneedafriend.com. This is Lillian McDermott wishing you love, peace, joy, and unexpected abundance. Make it the best day ever. Mwah!